It's a face, not XD. A face.
Oh, let's see what I'm talking about. I still don't get it.
Sing me that song again.
Why?
Because it's funny.
You thought it was funny when you make me happy. Whether you know it or not, we should be happy. That's what I said from the start. I'm so happy. Knowing that you are the one that I want for the rest of my day. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm happy. I could just take a big shed on the wall or something, 'cause I'm happy. I am reading people's thoughts for the day, 'cause I have no life. Why does my 7-year-old sister have a Facebook? Yes, she does.
I didn't know you had a 7-year-old sister.
Kristen does. Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. Aw, I knew you wanted me. Thank you. You read it for Mommy. Baby. I'm so confused now. I don't know why I'm confused. Wow, your status is about me. I feel special, ADA. With a heart beside it. And 2 smiley faces. Getting ready to go on an adventure with my mommy. Making her buy me candy. So I can have a stocking and get some pants that will